This carpet cleaning business didn't need more leads. They needed their ads to stop wasting money because they were already getting leads, but they were paying too much for them, and the results weren't consistent. If you're a cleaning business owner, you probably know that feeling. This is a carpet cleaning company in Jackson, Tennessee. They were already running Google Ads, already seeing some traction. This wasn't a start from zero situation. The goal was simple: get more leads, improve conversion rates, and lower the cost per lead. So instead of rebuilding everything, we focused on optimization. We tightened targeting to bring in better traffic, shifted budget toward the services that were actually converting, and used real conversion data to guide every decision. Search campaigns, performance max, everything working together more efficiently. No guesswork, just smarter moves. And this is where things start to get interesting. In January, they generated 28 conversions with a conversion rate just over 13%. In February, conversions increased to 31, and the conversion rate jumped to nearly 20%. You can already see the momentum building. But March, that's when everything clicked. They hit 48 conversions in a single month, and at the same time, their cost per lead dropped all the way down to $24. More leads, better efficiency, lower cost. That's the combination every carpet cleaning business wants. And when we zoom in, the biggest win came from carpet cleaning itself. In January, leads were costing around $57 each, but by March, that dropped to just $16 per lead. At the same time, conversion rates nearly doubled and lead volume surged. That's a massive shift in just 90 days. Even upholstery cleaning stayed strong. Consistent leads, solid conversion rates, reliable performance throughout the entire period. So this wasn't luck. This was controlled, consistent optimization. This is where most cleaning business owners get it wrong. When results plateau, they think they need to start over. New website, new ads, new everything. But in many cases, the opportunity is already there. You just need to improve what's already working. So if you're running Google Ads for your carpet cleaning business and your results feel stuck, it's not always your budget. It's not always your landing page. Sometimes you're just leaving performance on the table, because with the right adjustments, the same campaign can generate more leads at a lower cost month after month. If you need help with Google Ads for your cleaning business, go to bookcleaningjobs.com and request time to speak with us.